How to program the TX7220 Dual I/O module. First, connect your programming cable to the Z1 and Z2 terminals on the module. Press 1 to read the existing module's address and ID. Press Exit back to the menu. Press 2 or Write to write a new address, then press Write again to save. After success, press Exit back to the menu. Press 3 for R/W config. Here, you can configure 3 essential features. Feedback mode. Press 1 for Y to set self-feedback mode. Press 2 for N for external feedback mode, which is the default. Input check. Press 3 for Y to enable input check mode. Press 4 for N to disable it, which is the default. Output check. Press 5 for Y to enable output check mode. Press 6 for N to disable it, again the default. Press Write to save. This tailors the module precisely to your application.